In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Walmart account, step by step. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Walmart and press enter. In the results, select the official Walmart website. It's usually the first result, and the URL should clearly show walmart.com. Look for the small padlock icon in your address bar to confirm you're on a secure page before continuing. Once the homepage loads, head to the top right corner and click the account or sign in option. This will take you to the sign in screen. Since we're creating a new account, choose the create account option. You'll be prompted to enter either a phone number or an email address. Pick the one you use most often because Walmart will send you a verification code to confirm it. Make sure you have access to it right now. Click continue to proceed. On the next screen, enter your personal details. Typically, you'll be asked for your first and last name and other basic information. Type everything carefully and use your real name as it may need to match payment or delivery information later. Next, provide your phone number if it hasn't been added yet, and create a secure password. Choose a password that's unique to this account with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything easy to guess and consider using a password manager so you don't have to memorize it. Click continue again. Walmart will now send a one-time code to the phone number or email you provided. Check your text messages or your inbox for that code. If you don't see it within a minute, refresh your inbox, check your junk or spam folder, or look for a resend option. Keep this code private and don't share it. Return to the Walmart page and enter the code exactly as it appears. Then select Verify and Create Account. After a brief moment, your account will be set up, and you'll land on your account dashboard or the home page while signed in. From here, you're ready to shop. As a quick tip, you can enhance your experience by saving your preferred store for pickup, adding your delivery address for faster checkout, and securely storing a payment method if you plan to order often. For extra security, consider enabling additional verification options in your account settings. That's it. Your Walmart account is created and ready to use. Thanks for watching and enjoy your shopping experience.